Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Weekend Today in Central New York. We're tracking mostly quiet weather this weekend for most of Central New York, but there will be some light lake effect snow for the North Country overnight tonight, mainly across the Tug Hill. Looking ahead to the weekdays, we've got a warm up on the way that's likely to melt a lot of the snow on the ground or any icy patches that are still around, plus a few batches of rain as well, because it will be warm enough to see that. However, heading into next weekend, we get a big cool down once again and the potential for more snow as well. So for the weekend, as I mentioned, it's mostly quiet other than lake effect snow. That'll be for northern Oswego, southern Jefferson, and central Lewis counties under a winter weather advisory from 7 p.m. today through 1 p.m. on Sunday. So that snow, we have seen a few flurries overnight, but mostly doesn't develop until much later on, heading into tonight. The rest of Central New York, we're seeing sunshine from Syracuse and west, just some lingering clouds further east, but those will be shedding away to a mostly sunny afternoon, and temperatures pretty close to average. Right now we're in the 20s, highs will only reach the 30s this afternoon. Heading into tonight, we'll get clipped by the tail end of a cold front. That'll bring us a breezy west wind and also some extra moisture, which will fire up that lake effect snow for tonight. So timing this out with our futurecast, right now we're seeing sunshine from Syracuse further west, clouds further east, but gradually shedding away. Temperatures right now are in the lower 20s. Highs will reach the lower 30s this afternoon and becoming mostly sunny. And then the clouds return after sunset as that cold front comes closer. That'll start some light lake effect flurries getting closer to 9 or 10 p.m., but the steadiest snow doesn't start until midnight and beyond. And again, this is just for the Tug Hill region. Maybe the chance for a flurry getting closer to Syracuse, but little to no accumulation. This will all be for the Tug Hill. As we go overnight, temperatures will be dropping down to around 20 degrees. Then tomorrow, highs climb back into the lower 30s once again, and that light lake effect snow tapers off in the afternoon. Snowfall amounts from 10 p.m. tonight through 1 p.m. on Sunday. Maybe a coating from flurries for Syracuse, Rome, Utica, but the main accumulation will be up north. 1 to 3 inches for Watertown, Pulaski, Richland, Fay Mill, Louville, Old Forge, but 3 to 6 inches for the highest parts of the Tug Hill by Redfield, Montague, and again, just outside of Louville. As we go through the week, we are looking ahead to a couple of weather systems passing by. A minor one for Monday with a couple of evening showers, but a soggier one on Tuesday that's likely to bring us some widespread rain, maybe mixing with snow for the Tug Hill and Adirondacks. And a third for Wednesday evening and heading into Thursday. But notice they're all very, very weak systems that pass through this week. No real big accumulation of rain or snow. So to sum up your forecast, this weekend is mainly quiet other than the Tug Hill. Highs will be in the low to mid 30s. We climb into the 40s for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with widespread rain, maybe mixing with snow for the Tug Hill and Adirondacks. Then snow will gradually exit on Thursday as temperatures cool back down into the 30s and drying out on Friday. Nicole?